Hello guys, good evening everyone. Good evening. How you all doing? Hey Nick, hey Mickey, hey Axer, hey Steve, hey Zebra. Hello guys, hello. What are you all doing? What are you all doing? Time to get a couple of hours of a fiesta. A couple of hours of a fiesta. Before it is time to go get some sleep. Nice, Steve, nice. Not bad, not bad. We're done with the run now. We're done with the run now. We're gonna do some more. We're still not over yet. Alright, alright. Let's see. Let's see what we gonna do today. What we gonna add today? Yes, these two, I see. The last one. That's what you think. That's what you think. Alright. What are we gonna do today then? Let's see. Is it time to get some stats or something going maybe? Maybe some stats there. A little bit. A little bit. We can do some of the stats. That might be nice. So for stats, we probably will need another one of those non-deleted ones, the undeletable ones, which is for now only the encounter manager, I think, wasn't it? Encounter handler. Only that one is not being deleted, I think, wasn't it? I think it is, yeah. So we might need another one then. Some file for the stats, the character stats and stuff. We will need that. Scene handler is just copies here. That is whatever. So we're gonna have an encounter manager. And the encounter manager kind of stays, wasn't it? Let me see. I already forgot. No, player stats. Yeah, like the player stats and stuff. Probably that. No leaderboards. Yes, encounter manager. So not the script, but the whole object we gotta keep. That's probably the way. So we get it not undestructible on load. And then we're gonna get the track of the stats. I mean, it would be better to do it in the player. I needed it for the gameplay scene. I mean, technically, if we're not gonna be posting some sort of like report on it, then yeah, we can only have it in the gameplay scene. That is true. Well, I mean, who knows what else we're gonna have? Maybe there's gonna be some sort of like the character creation or some shit. For example, so we're gonna set up the stats. Oh yeah, it's alrighty. Yeah, good luck. The latex paper writing. What is the latex paper writing? What is the latex there? Oh boy. Yeah, the Monday deadline. Alright, I see. So it is a late, not the latex then. Yeah, the Markov kind of link. Okay, I see, I see. The fancy layouts, alright. I mean, I'll still need to deal with this too. I'll still need to get that one also. That we also need them. Hated it, I see. The super fancy layouts, alright. Long reports with fancy layouts, alright. Takes care of everything, I see, I see. Alright, alright. Do it, do it. Good luck, good luck. Sounds good. Alright, so we need some sort of, I mean, we can make it in general, kind of like the game status, I guess, or something. Sure, if we need a game status everywhere, but I feel like player stats we might want to transfer between scenes, if there'll be like the character creation, for example. Or if there'll be some sort of like separate scene for kind of like combat or some stuff. Well, then you might need some. I mean, true, stay true. That is true, I guess. For now, we can make it the regular way, alright. So let's see. I could do it in the player too, of course. But player is also the model. So don't destroy on player kind of makes no sense. If we're gonna have the model also go into the final part, for example, that'll be kind of weird. Could actually make it kind of nice, though. Like the summary of your character in general at the end of the run. That could be okay, but not exactly what we need. Let's see, I see. I mean, we could. So the stat manager. Now we're gonna make it that way, I guess. Like the game object here. With a script on it. And then we can make it on destroy and load, I guess. Let's see. Let's do this way. This way. Player start script, let's say. For example, alright. So I'm gonna go here. Get the scripts. Alright, well. Can also remove a bunch of this stuff, like from gold and everything. Into this one, I guess. From out of here. And that we can do later too. That will be probably the way. Alright, so you can just pick it from here, for example. Or just remove it. That's the transformations here. And we just compared them. Hidden counter handler, right? And print them there too. The hell? This stuff is in player spin, but we can just replace it, I guess. And get it in a different place. My player was player was game object. Okay, I see. So I can just move it. I'll just move the stats there, alright. Don't need to do the whole get component shit, let's see. I mean, true. Like the same way. We didn't see the instancing. And the paradox strategies and controller sounds indeed quite something. I mean, might be doable though. But sounds like something there. Just to get this one. That we can. Wait, so how did we use that in the end though? Yeah. Like how did we use that singleton benefits later though? I don't remember actually. Or was there somewhere we actually managed to use that? Yeah, I don't think we did really, to be honest. I don't think we did. Because I still don't really understand the value of all this stuff. Then we'll see, I guess. Oh, we will see. If we get that to work. Let's see, alright. Alright, so the stats. What we gonna even have then? Well, for now, I guess we can just go with them. Like attack, defense, health. Can get some other stuff from there. That's easy, let's see. With the fine stuff at all costs. I see. Well, we kind of do it in the finale there, though. And that we do. That we do. Alright, so we get some of them stats then. And probably move them from the player spin here. Maybe even a gold too. Maybe even a gold then. How was the gold treated there? Yes, they can see that, can see that. We use it here though. Yeah. That was kind of like the only reasonable way to do that. There was something else I think you could do that with that. Though, with that. But I think we kind of just went with this one for now. Do it only once though, but still. We'll see. Maybe there will be some better ways to do it. But maybe we'll find something. At the singleton again. Sure. This one. Or the, well, I mean, it's the same as the previous one, really. It's the same. Shouldn't get deleted? No, it does get deleted anyway, though. And still does. I feel like the instance may be kind of not getting deleted. But I don't know, maybe it's just kind of like stored somewhere else. Because it does get deleted, like the object gets deleted. Maybe like the instance exists somewhere. I'm not sure actually. Technically, there should be the way to do it, I guess. But yeah, at least like the game object is getting deleted though. Like the whole encounter handler was getting deleted until we made it the not destroy unload, which was simple to do. Like the only issue is kind of like the field stance does the search. So it does not get removed, I see. It shouldn't, well, I mean, here is kind of like we have the scenes that are loading and unloading. So technically it shouldn't unload, but I'm not sure how to still call it here though. That I'm not sure. We could look into it. We could look into it for other ways how to pass that stuff. Alright, let's move the stats then from here. I think. Let's do it today, this way. Then we will need to get them from different places, Oh, well... Yeah, for gold, for example, if we get the gold as kind of stats, then I also need to make it to not destroy and load because we will need as a result to get the gold there. So I also will need to keep it alive anyway, between scenes. So that's gonna happen then. Well, we can do that. We can do that. Actually, no, wait a second. Or do I? Field stats. Player go. Oh, no, I actually don't. Not really. Okay. Not really. So we can just... just get this then. So replace player spin. Well, not all player spin here, I guess only. So replacing this one with the player stats. And this we keep. Gold also goes. Can just instance it? Alright, how? How we do that here? And that I don't remember. I see, I see. Not polluting the namespace, alright. How was the instance launched? I think we launched the instance somewhere of something, but I actually don't remember what was that. Resident functions? Nah, or? No, not here. We read it somewhere. Oh yeah, encounter handler instance this way. And then we just did instance. And then we got the destroy and spawn there. Counter handler dot instance, alright. Destroy and spawn. This object, okay. No, we do here. We kinda do. Not much though. I mean, sorta. Sorta. So wait, the story and spawn was oh yeah, this one, yeah. No wait. Yeah, we had this one. I remember. Alright, so yeah, that was the key. Well, I mean, sure. So we just need to instance that stuff too. So we go player starts instance. Let's just stay on, I guess, whatever. This was the way, right? Player starts instance. No, it's gonna be this stuff, right? We can't, I guess, maybe because we already have this is the private one though, so it shouldn't. So we're actually no public here. So can we use another instance here because we're already kind of declaring one here? Can do any? Okay, I see. True. What is this? Come on. Alright, let's try, sure. So now we just can... Was it in the beginning also? I'll go ahead and start. We need to do it. I won't start. And this doing. We do instance here though, right? Yeah, this should be the one, I guess. The player stats, player stats. Alright, so instance here. So now I can use player stats. Oh, dot something there and it should be good, right? So let's see. Alright, so this one we keep. That goes still the collider stuff. Collider we're not touching. So we go player spin defense. That one we are replacing. So this one is now player stats dot defense, right? And that is player stats dot health. Well, I guess this way. That's the defense. Alright, this way. I don't use any player stuff here. Yeah, it is actually. True. Not false. It's not just white text. Baby rage. That's my beautiful colors. Where is my beautiful colors? Where's the RGB? Where is all the RGB? I wonder if you can just like call that also in. Let's see. The CSS and other stuff, yeah. Tis time, tis time. Yeah, I wonder if I can call the same instance in the stats field in the end. We should try. Like pull the gold directly from there, for example. See what happens. Because if that works, that would be super good. That's totally better than the way we did it. That will be way better. Use compound assignment, read only struct. Because of the instance. That'll be kinda weird, we'll see. We'll see how that will go. All right. Now let's see. Did we get him? I wonder. So far, so good. Alright, let's see if it'll actually work though. Alright, at least stats are here. So that's something. Alright, seems like it works. The instant Giga Hobo. There's the gold now. Alright, no read only or something. Why you lying? Why you lying? Oh yeah, the gold display probably fucked up now though. Not sure if I change that. Actually, no, it should work. Yeah, good. Good. That works. Let's try to use the instance then. In the end, so in fill stats, instead of this shit, let's try gold amount text. He's going to be really converted though potentially. So that's gonna be, oh yeah, we need to still get it at the instance here. So player stats instance. Try it this way. They grade this one out. Why you sus? Why you sus? Wait. No, it's the wrong number. That's the wrong number. This one. There we go. Read out again though, but we'll figure that out. So on start. And now it works. Alright, this way. Now let's try. It's gonna be wrong because not string. Yes, so we're gonna do. Now that should cast it. Well, let's try. Let's see if that works. That will be really good. That will be very good way to do it. Without using the searches and everything. That sounds very nice. Yeah, would be very good. Come on, other man. Give me the Giga Hobo. And then gonna get the emergency button there probably. I'm getting rich though, yeah. So far was what, 400 something? I think was the record now. 400 something. Alright, Giga Hobo, where are you? It's time. It's time we meet again. Getting past the record maybe. Okay. 500. There he is. Yeah, that works. That could be good then. That could be good if that's the case. Can we actually try to get other stuff out of it maybe? Yeah, with instancing. So we could try to get this stuff. Encounter. We have encounter handler as an instance already, right? The zebra may need to spawn encounters. Yeah, I need to try to do that stuff. So yeah, we can remove all this inelegant solutions then, because encounter handler will already have instance too. Yep, so we can already do that. We can already do that. Got me confused a bit. So we can go encounter handler. That was done. Encounter handler. Let's try. If that also works, that will be very nice. And you know it, man. This AI is actually really insane sometimes. I like it. Why didn't I have something like this back in which year was that? 2005. That would be nice. Things would go completely different back then. There we go. Back my day, but yeah, sometimes it is indeed kind of scary even. It knows. The chat GPT knows to write some code. I mean, we should mess with that stuff around for sure. We sure need. Alright, so encounter handler is an instance now. So what if... Can we just replace all this by... this, and it is just gonna work? Because if it will, that's a big pug, yeah? And then we're gonna try to get encounter handler to kinda die. So remove the don't destroy stuff and see if that will work even. But that will be very nice. That already like kinda makes, you know, way more sense to use that instance stuff too. Because it's not just more convenient, it also kinda just doesn't die. That's good. That's good, Before there are some limitations, so kind of need to look into that stuff too, but that sounds very convenient. So you just instance it, and doesn't matter like the scenes and stuff, you just kind of save that info. There should be some limits though. Should be some downsides to it. But I mean, it's kind of, you know, keeping some instance on memory or keeping the whole object in memory. I think kind of not that much of a difference, I guess. Here's the Giga Hobo. Yeah, it seems like it works actually. So now we're gonna try to make it did. I think pretty much this is gonna be enough, right? And then we see if it did it. Yeah, I mean, true, Axer. Well, still, it's like, you know, you kind of don't want to make some stupid fucking mistakes that that later down the line, just, you know, like the butterfly effect. You just kind of like made some stupid fucking mistake in the beginning, and then it just kind of like keeps piling and branching, and then to fix everything else, you just kind of need to go all the way down there, and then the unfix a lot of things. So it's better to just not to use things that are kind of bad. Well, I mean, this is also kind of like just meme shit, really. No matter what, it's gonna be kind of meme shit. Yeah, it works. Like, it's not here, and it's still here, so that's very useful. That's very useful. You know, some very good use for singletons then. That is good. That is good. That's the thing, like, I don't even know. Like, there are probably always some like kind of standards and stuff to do it, but so far I kind of figured out everyone just kind of like, you know, you just push it together and hope it works. And then if you have some money, you just like buy some modules and plugins and you just throw them together and they kind of should work. Kind of like modding to test the game, basically. I'm just gonna buy some mods in Unity store and then we try to make them work together. And if it works, we have something functional. You know. And do a few tests before you have a sensible idea how to properly, most efficiently do it, I guess. Yeah, well, that's the good thing when you have someone who can also kind of tell you what's functional, what not. Because I can believe that, you know, you can just like do stuff and, you know, it works in the end. So it's good, it works, so it's good. Why not? Right or wrong, it works. Let's see, Steve, I see. I mean, kinda true, kinda true. That is kinda true. Alright, so, how about make a character creator so we can set the stats. Get the character creator where we can assign those stats. Kind of like basic one, just a bunch of windows where we... Well, first let's make maybe when we type the stats in. Then later we can kind of limit. That one already gonna be a bit more complicated. So we have like, for example, like 10 stat points. We can add them to attack. We can add the defense in some amount. With buttons. That's already gonna be complicated. And now we can just do numbers. I think that should be doable with, well, that's different type of UI, so why not? So we're gonna make another scene now. Where was the scene add-in? Add a new scene. Oh, that new scene, it will be... I already forgot how it works even, all this shit. Yeah, this way. Scenes. Or customization, maybe. This way, because maybe not just character creation, maybe something else, for example. Alright, customization. Now, with customization, we're gonna have for sure some UI. So we get some of them canvas. Let's do stats. Well, I mean, we can do everything, I guess. Just like... I mean, like canvas, whatever. Guess all canvas for everything here. Which again might be kind of not exactly the good way to do it. And not the solution to do it. Panelio. So the panel, this one does get character stats. And this Panelio is here, right? Yes. So let's go. What we're gonna have in this one. So we will need an UI. Toggles, sliders, scroll bars, input fields. Input fields sounds like a good one. Well, first let's do this. All right. Well, let's see. The iterative approach. Well, I mean, it's nice, I would say, to just like, you know, read and do good, but the problem with that quite often, for me and for many other people, I think, with a little bit of like perfectionism and shit, that you just end up reading, reading, and reading, and always reading, and never doing, because you never think that you know, reach the point where you can do it properly now. Because you always think you're not fit to rule the horde, you know. So sometimes just doing some iterations is better. It's not look like happens for me too much. It's like this like perfectionism, kind of like anxiety, weird shit combination with many things. When you just always think that you are not good enough to do so, or like whatever you do is not good enough and stuff, and you just never do in the end. Let's do this stream. And then let's go on. Is there like a label on inputs? There probably are. Let's get input field then. So there's no label, there is kind of like... Alright, let's see. So that's the base text there. On the value changed, on end edit, on select, on deselect. Damn, not bad. Has a lot of actions there. Number only, let's see. Probably content type. Integer number, decimal number, yeah, you can. You can. Placeholder. Okay, I see. So it makes it separately even. Okay, oh yeah, so it's like components that you can like separately call from some other stuff, for example. Or you can already put there something else here, for example, some other text. It's like some other default stuff we already have. So the placeholder is like enter text, I guess. Is it? Yeah, enter text, alright. So here we have I mean, we're gonna get like probably, it's weird that there is no like label to it or something. I guess we just make it ourselves then. And then we just align them. Yeah, fine. So let's do... Well, HP gonna be kinda 100 by default, so let's do attack defense. Probably. Attack. And defense. I'm gonna move them later anyway, probably. Alright. So let's go the text stuff here. Actually, we need a third field too. Well, we can, because why not? And the most important one. Of course. Start with name then, probably. Well, why not? This one in order. Get them all in order. And they got that did good. And defense. I'll label defense then. And there we go. It's like hidden behind the letter there or something. Yeah, can see shit. This way, I guess. And another one. Let's make the lines a bit, I guess. Sure. Maybe it's scuffed, but well, it is what it is. Alright, now name placeholder, of course. Here we go. Attack. Alright, let's start with this one. Then there's actual. Let's see if we get something here. Oh, it goes over it actually even. Okay. Well, I mean, that's the field that we're gonna be kind of like changing later. Or rather that we're gonna be sending, I guess, in. Alright, so attack and defense gonna be int. And name just gonna be whatever, standard, I guess. So what do we have? On value changed, on and edit, on select. On select, I guess also like a bunch of functions we can do. Okay, I see. So I need just a button that's gonna kind of take all the, you know. I wonder if there is a way to do it that way. I feel it kind of should be. Maybe they should we might need some function for that probably. So like on end edit or on value changed, for example, it kind of like sends it and saves it somewhere. It's just different beauty stuff. On start button, I could, yeah. I mean, I could make it on like the main, the start thingy. But I mean, there might be something else there later or something. Might as well. I also thinking about maybe doing more stuff, not just character creation. Maybe we're gonna also define here what's gonna be the encounters or something. You know, no idea. I have no idea either. So we'll figure it out. Well, I mean, the worst case, I guess, like on the value changed, you just kind of save the value. So you just change it. It gets saved by some function into the player stats, for example. That's kind of the most, you know, straightforward option I see here. That's the most straightforward option I see here. And then we get to the button then. No, maybe more buttons, we'll see. Great. Alright. So on this one also, have you like on click, you just kind of get all this. Yeah, I'm not sure what's like the right way to do it here. Interactable. You can make some function on the button. We could take all these and pass them. Not sure. But only if there is something, I guess. Okay, this is one of those when you kind of like not sure how it's actually done. So it's like you press the button, it just like takes all this and sends it. That will be kind of like logical way, I guess. Then you also need to make all the checks, like if something is not filled, to, you know, to highlight and everything to show. Yeah, on button would be better. Like technically you can like easiest way from what we have here is to just do the button, not the button but the line. Like on value change, you just record the value in the player stats, and when you press the button it just like switches scene to gameplay, the stats already there. That will be kind of the easiest way to do it, but yeah, I don't think that's the right way to do it. A lot of features in this one, actually. That's already actual text, though. That literally replaces it. Median max value is interesting, probably. Should be. Integer number. Character limit there is. I'm not sure that's the case here. No, I guess you can check it later somewhere, not here. So that just might be, what's the name? Like on end edit or something, just gonna like show that you did it wrong. And edit, you just do the check or something. It sounds kind of weird if you would need to make those functions for those things without them being just kind of like standard. That sounds kind of weird. Unless maybe you can do it in like the text field though. Text is... no, not really. Extra settings. No. Doesn't look like it. What if they could type something here actually? Well, I mean, kind of works still, even though it's the integer number. Well, we're gonna check. Maybe it gives you some error if you try to put something else in. It kind of should. Doesn't give some like error message or something either. So you probably will need some scripts then for some of these. So on button, I'm just trying to pass all these texts. Stack Overflow is offline. The tragedy. Oh, the misery. I mean, we could just try. So on button, I would just take what texts from here, I guess. Put them in the variables in the switch scenes. So we can also probably load the player stats with an instance here. Yeah, let's try. A button. Once again. So, tryck. There we go. Alright, let's see. Alright. Wait, like loading all the way again. No, okay. Don't do me like that. And open it. No. That's the wrong number. Everyone's in panic, yeah. Probably. Alright, so what we're gonna try to do here is let's get the instance again. And then there we go. Get this on the start, right? Yeah. Now let's get the function going. Let me get some reference for that. Let's try. Just the maintenance. Still though, probably delete update and everything. Yeah, most likely. Wait, no public. Yeah, public avoid. We don't need them. Relax. And that's all complete. So on the Kalikan, it's gonna be I'm gonna get the references in. Let's get them in then. So we will need how was it? Do we need the we need this one, wasn't it? That was text mesh. Ooh. So we get name. Probably not the best name. Probably. Almost. Not exactly. It's trying. A little bit missing, but it's trying. Didn't do the name yet. I need to add the name, I guess. Well, just name probably also not gonna be that good, huh? Fine. Okay, get her name. So it's gonna be the text field this way. Hot dog. Let's try. What? Oh, yeah, it's not text, of course. Well, like, actually, no, it is kind of text. Ah. We'll need to cast it in or something because it's gonna be a string here. Yeah, we need int. I need the int. Well, I mean, it should be int there though, even though it's text mesh and everything. To int. To int array only now. I don't want that. That's a different way to do it though, right? With casting it. Maybe there is a way to do it. Maybe there is no text. Maybe there is something else. Yeah, doesn't want to. Maybe there is not the text for it. Maybe there is something else. If it's like not exactly the text one. I mean, it is text mesh though for sure. But yeah, it might be the text. Can we do something else here? No. Oh, that actually kinda. No text. Is there something else? No, there's just a bunch of stuff here, really. Oh, let's not. I by accident mashed a little. Got the help there, which actually would be kind of helpful. Alright, brother, what we do here? Tag text, text info. Transform. No, it should be kind of text. We just need to. A bunch of ease. I mean, it should be text, but we need to do something with it then. Easier from int into text. Yeah, so it should be text here. The contents. Let's try. Finding it, I think. Or maybe not. Let's see. Alright, wait. Int try parse. Can try that, I guess. Found that one too. Yeah, that was actually kinda easy, I guess. Oh wait, oh, okay, different. That's costed, yeah. Boy. Right, so int try parse. I mean, it all might not work anyway, so it's all kinda kinda piggy ways. Int try parse. It's a character attack text out. What was that? My player stats dot attack. Let's try. Fine. And kind of same here, I guess. Pint. Pint would be nice. Ooh, right. Alright, so we need to assign these and get the on-click thingy. I think I did it wrong also. Oh, yeah, I think we couldn't attach to the button the same script that is on the button. Not sure why actually too, but it is what it is. Oh no, it does work. Okay, good. Oh, it doesn't show here though, yeah. It's our responsibility. Yeah, well, I mean, technically, like, you can limit the type in the input already. So that's already our problem, yeah. Yeah, how did we do it before then? Yeah, we were adding this thing, so I need to add create character stuff somewhere else. Like here, I guess. I don't know. Actually, let's see what does this do. Playstyle does not contain definition for character name. Player name, I guess I call it, or something. I guess I didn't because I didn't kind of declare it there. Oh yeah, didn't save, of course. Of course, yeah. Okay, don't use it yet. Okay, that's good at least. Alright, so now we still need to get that on click here. So I need to add this script somewhere and just like use it from here. Well, I mean, I kind of still do, but yeah, for some reason it doesn't work that way. So we need to get it somewhere else, alright? I don't know, can I add here, for example? Will that work? Happy Pig problem, Happy Pig solution. No, that's not good. How did we do this before? I already forgot. I remember. I don't remember why it didn't work. I guess not the first time actually that happens, but I don't remember why. It happens every time. Yeah, that's why we have the oh yeah, because we need to reference the audio. Let's see, will that work? Oh yeah, that will work probably. Yeah, remember now. No, where was it? Character create. There we go. And this now we need to add all those references to though. That's such a weird thing. I don't know, like what what's wrong with it there. See, we just get this text here. I guess. Okay, well, first we need also to add the extra step here too. Man, we also need to one click to switch. I guess we can multiple on click though. I guess see the handler copy here too. And on click we also do the scene handler stuff. But I need to add another to be without copying. No, we did copy, I think, anyway. But again, we can do the instance though. Actually, no, we need to attach it to the button. That's why I think we copied it in the end. Like if you want to do it on click, there probably is a better way to do it without the PPG solution. Ugh, ukes. Alright, long game, main menu, game over. Now we add game out. You tried. Well, we still, oh yeah, the character creation. No, customizer, I called it right. There's customization. Alright, this way. So now we do on button, on click, we do customization. Character creation, yeah, this. Now, on this button, we add another on click. Get the scene handler here. Scene functions, there was launch game. And I guess also on game over now we can, not the relaunch game, but put in the character creation pro, it would make sense. Main menu, the launch game goes instead to character creation. Alright. This way, now unload them. Let's see. How Bonka is. Alright. Poof. Alright, PP again. Well, they fucking did active though. Alright. Interesting. Yeah, that will do at least. Oh no, wait. Everything inactive though, somehow. Why? Why is that a thing? Eh? Canvas. Did some PPG stuff with the camera or something again. Why everything is not activo there? Button, everything should be active. Starting to hold the scene. But then it stay loaded though. But we can try, I guess, sure. There's just gonna be both of them at the same time. Oh no, I switched to this one. Anyway. 2 audio listeners in the scene. Always exactly 1 audio listener. Maybe this way? Or is there audio listener even? The fuck is that? What kind of audio listener did you talking about? I think it's probably something with the inputs, but what? We'll listen to some audio here. And what is happening? What is happening? Let's see. Hey, clapping. It's getting there. It's getting there. Well, let me see what can that be. 2 audio listeners, probably 1 on each camera. Oh yeah, I see why. Because yeah. Okay, that I see why. That's fine. So that should be no problems then. Yeah, because 2 scenes act at the same time. So now it's fine, but it doesn't click though. Hey, clapping, hello. I do talk to though. Didn't give up on YouTube, no shame being here, son. You found the way. You found the way. Carrot placeholder. Something's wrong with this one. Yeah, I feel like it's something maybe with this. Now, scene change should be fine though. It's just inactive, huh? Maybe it's like not nice. It should be panel, I guess. Maybe I missed some other like wrappers for them or something. Maybe they do need some like on select thing in particular. I kinda doubt it though. Nice clapping, nice. Still soft after 4 hours. Feels good, man. Feels good, eh? Yeah, it's not read-only. Rich text, maybe? I don't know. The placeholder text actually blocking it. No, I think it's literally the button even doesn't click. That's the thing. It's like everything is like not available whatsoever. So it's like the whole canvas or something is... Unmaskable. Maybe because they have script on it. I don't know. Like it is not active whatsoever. Not the button, nothing. That's the weird part. The wear is nothing either. It just doesn't work. See, maybe we'll find something. Some of the ways is about like the canvas like scale or something. But we didn't have issues with that before though, that's the problem. What else can it be here? Planning to do some more baking clapping. Something else interesting. Cookies already sounds nice. Even the button is dead though, that's the problem. Maybe do something wrong with the scene and stuff. Kinda should be fine, I think. He loads also, most importantly. Yeah, no errors either. Interactable even specifically here. The actual button. What else can it be? Well, you do work. Yeah, exactly. Can it be like the layering actually issue? I doubt it, but... A layer UI. There's no other layer here though, right? Only this stuff. And there's some sort of way to make it even higher in priority, but not sure. I don't think that's the case. The Z-clapping essay, huh? Well, I mean, that's not the bad thing to do it. You just pick something that you're good at making. That's nice. Gotta make your specialty, you know. Specialty. So wait, what if we like unload with this one? Unload this one, then play. No, doesn't matter. Just not. It's just not working. Something is wrong, you know, then. It doesn't show as inactive, huh? Yeah, all these canvas work with buttons and stuff, the thing. Maybe still the screen space though, Let me see actually. Yeah, screen space, camera. Seems stuff. Had issues with that, but that ain't it. A blocking mask. Nah, I doubt it. That's anything important here. It's also blocking everything here, seems like. Because this also has a button. And this button works just fine. Interactable. I mean, literally just the same button anyway. But this doesn't work though. It's weird shit. Single mode too. Says like removing it completely. Should be fine. What's the right way to do it? Was it? Okay, shoot there. Maybe I should remove the refer. I don't think it matters really. Like the update. Kinda doubt it. But that I kinda doubt. This is like really looks for it. It's also script, so. Maybe I should connect that script there to the whole panel actually. Maybe that's why. Where can we connect it then? Yeah, maybe let's try. Where should we slap it then? It's like such a weird thing though. Like I need to attach some object and then function to it. Can function from the object. Second, could I try that before? No, I could try to do that maybe. Makes a bit more sense, even though not that much, but still. Maybe, let's try. Guess there is scripts connected to it. I doubt it, but maybe. You never know. Yeah, with the chocolate chips, yeah, nice. That's a nice one. That's somewhat how they sell them in the store here too. Still the same stuff. That indeed. That indeed. Come on. Oh, I didn't doubt this, but that could change much now. Not even sure what to like search for really in this case. Not sure. The new tastes. Can revolutionize it. event system. That's actually... Yeah, it does. This one also... Wait a second. Why do we not have the event system then? Yeah, something kind of misses here. And how so? Event system is something that generates on its own, right? Oh, that sounds actually like something that we need here, maybe, right? Why didn't it create it then? Maybe because I didn't create any other game objects outside of... Well, I mean, I have scene handler though. Just odd. Maybe it's because of the type of the scene or something. It's like scene asset. Oh, it's there, this one. That ain't it. Wait, can we just like duplicate it or something then? Sure. That seems kind of weird, but let's try. Should be in the list of game objects. Yeah, I'm not sure why I didn't. Like, I just created the scene as usual. Yeah, now it works. Alright. What if you just press when nothing is in? It gives error, right? Obviously. Need to make sure it like takes the placeholder instead. Then okay, I can't tab through these. Annoying. Actually, no. Let's do super PP again. Huh. No. I think I didn't. Maybe it reset. Hurry. Is the one? Yeah. Here is not set to an instance of an object. Your name dot. It should be the text though. Yeah, why did I do the text? Here you go. Well, actually, no, it is. It's supposed to be the text actually. So I guess it's not the text there. Seems like it doesn't. To an instance of an object. The reference still in the script. I did just re-add it there, I think. It's like maybe it doesn't kind of work because there's nothing yet there. Yeah, there they are. Yeah, let's put these in there. That did not work. But it kind of should, eh? When it kinda should, them. That would be kinda weird, eh? I mean, it kinda could, really. Actually could, yeah. Because yeah, technically instance is not there because the that scene didn't even load in yet. So that would kinda, I guess, make sense. Like, what if or we just instance it in the very beginning, for example? Nope. 3. Relax. I mean, technically that should be fine. We really need it in there anyway, so we can load the instance and it should work, I think. Well, that didn't pass though, but I mean, it did something. It did something. Let's see if it actually sees the attack and defense though. It doesn't, so it actually isn't there. Probably because it failed casting it, I have a feeling. Probably failed casting it into it, I feel. That's why it's 0 is there. Not to do it smarter than with casting. But the gameplay indeed. Could be, Steve, could be. But I mean, that was how it was done there. Wasn't it? I think that's how it was supposed to be. Slightly different. So this is like your string, and that's what you need to output. The int. This way. No, it doesn't work that way. Now it's different. It's like a parameter now instead. So that ain't it. I mean, maybe it's like, wait, can it just be this way and it's just how dude wrote it? No, that is not the case. Yeah, this one needs to be without. So that actually should be this way, just out. So now that kind of how it should be. But for some reason it can't part. For some reason. That's how it should be, I think. Can't put any int there. It goes 0 though, for some reason. I wonder why. I think it might be just kind of some sort of fail to parse or something. It just goes 0. Wait a second. Try parse, return true or false to indicate success. Okay, so 0 is the failure. Alright. So it failed to parse then. The value of the out parameter is used for the parsed value or 0 on failure. So it fails to parse. But why? Well, actually, it might because there's nothing to parse really. We need to check the name. Let's see. Let's put the name somewhere too, so we can see if it actually works there. So here we need them. We have the stats there. Player stats. So let me see. Let's get some more for the name or something maybe. Can I get the name? And the stats are growing there already. Another one. Put this way for now. For now. Sure what this one is. What's a different thing? Alright, so we're gonna have player stats name. And we're gonna put that in here. Player name. Player name we really need to get on start probably. And they call it their character. There we go. Now we just need to add the reference. Player name. Wait. Player. I did not probably. Dev saver, eh? Can give everyone some permissions now. That's super important. Sounds good, eh? Alright, so if it's gonna be test or something, or like null or whatever, then it just doesn't work on click of the button. Well, name actually gets through. Interesting. But it fails to parse the attack and defense, though. So it actually kind of works in a way. In the scuffed way, it does. Avoy, avoy. Yes, a text gets passed. But the numbers not. So this just like plain works, that's good. Let's see, maybe there's some other way. Sometimes it does return the boolean though. Returns boolean as a return, provides the converted value as an out parameter. So it should, like, 0 means that it's unless... No, out parameter should be the actual one. Why is it going with 0? How to make that work then? Like we made it here already. Integer number. What if we try to get all this object? And then we're gonna like just dig through that object into the... Nah, I don't think that's the case though. We made this one integer. Wait, it has its own text actually too. Wait a second, can we... Like, can we do... Nah. That ain't the actual thing, so it should be this one. It may be text area, but nah, that ain't it either. Well, we just need to do like game object or something else. Let's see how to do it smart, maybe. Get the number from UI input field. Let's see. Really? Yeah, the people were just doing the int parse before, and that's the answer, seems like. Oh, really? Let's try, maybe it still kinda does. Doubt it though. I think we kind of tried before. No, actually, no. Well, this kind of shows. I mean, this kind of shows here. Not completely broken, maybe. Let's see. The string was not in the correct format. Yes, it already didn't consume it already here, I see. Yeah, not sure, say. Yeah, it's already wrong format to choose here. Wonder why. So I think it still kind of takes it as a text maybe, and then like Boolean overflow. Format exception. It kind of should be that, really, but it's not. Alright, let's try some other solutions. Alright, coming from the initial state input box where the input is blank and an empty string is of course not an integer. User input sometimes will go in the wrong format, and that will for sure. Yeah, it seems like it. Yes, Dave, yeah, that's a weird one that I also don't get. Like, we already set it to integer. Like, what's your problem now? What's your problem now? Let's see. Yes, a try parse should be actually good, huh? What was the... Let me see. Let's try, see what it actually even reads there. Because I think something wrong. Now, try parse actually did work, though. Like, the 0 that you get as a result is that something is wrong there. So I want to check... Where did we do that? Where we were just typing shit. The debug log, what was the... what was the syntaxes for that one? Let's just see what we actually get there. Isn't it like one of those? Because we still have, I think, that thing in debug. But I don't remember what it was now. Bug log history. Okay, let's see. So can we do... Let's try... let's try to see what we're gonna get there. Let's go. 69 here. There could be some like space or something there, like invisible stuff from the field itself. It kind of makes it convert into something else. Because it gives you the 0 out, that means it failed to parse it. Not just like literally just this, nothing else. No space, not shit, not anything else. Yeah, that I don't get. Like you literally just like said specifically this is int. Why are you asking me if it's not inted? By calling trim, alright. But yeah, it seems like it's just like nothing unnecessary being there. Nothing here. That's the funny part, because like this field you said specifically like this is integer number. We told you there's gonna be integer number, brother. Nothing else. What else is wrong with you? Why are you molding? Why are you not converting it? Yeah, I see people saying like it works now. No, it doesn't, brother. It doesn't. And I'm not sure why. Because that should work, and it kind of does, and it doesn't. It just shows the failure, shows 0. So like if it succeeds, it posts the value. If it fails, it posts 0. Ecropia, how we doing? Character attack text. In the out and player stats attack. Yeah, that's an int. That should be alright. Maybe it's 0. Nah. We managed to get this though. Like this works just fine. This works just fine. Oh wait a sec. That's not right. So that works. It gets access to the instance and everything. Secret BSC. Gotta rest a little. We can overwhelm here too a little. A little. Trying to pass the input field object. It itself into the parse method rather than the text. No, it is literally the text. The secret dungeon channel, basically, yeah. The correct field, and do you need maybe some text again? No, it should be, It's these, yeah. No, that should be it. That should be it. I mean, we just literally like printed it out and it was 69 and everything, so that was good. Like it gets the right input. It actually kind of works, except for some reason it doesn't parse it. Too many things to keep track, I say. What can be wrong here? Maybe because it's in an instance. I doubt it though. I think it should be fine. I mean, name is getting passed, no problems. Like, just string goes in like smoothly. Absolutely no problems there. But this doesn't. What else can it be? What else can it be? No one has like something like this. Input field input as an int. All right. Stack Overflow dying on me now. It was just opening. Stop it. Hurry. Unlucky. Unlucky. A big unluck with... But yeah, that do be the little, not so secret, but channel, yeah. That's where the boards are and everything for the comfortable watching too. People do with the if everything too. Some people do the out int, but out int I guess if you just get the new one. Because out int doesn't work here, probably because we already have the declared thing here. I mean, this. Result should be 0 probably still, but let's try. Because with the variable, the out int doesn't work for some reason. Oh, you actually need to remind me. I can pay to the ISP. So internet is not a dying tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, it goes 0 here. That means it failed. Wait, this is just default attack basically. That didn't change. See, 0 like boolean, that means it failed. Why did it fail though? That I don't get. That I don't get. What else might be wrong there? Hey Dick, hello, good evening. Maybe there, well, I mean, now that doesn't print anything, so there shouldn't be anything special though. No special symbols or something. So, like, why you not parsing it? Yeah, people having problems with like some special symbols and everything, but for now we just can't even get it to work properly, unless it for some reason does try to like to parse it into something else there. It does take it as an int for some reason. Do you need to parse it from text? I'll ask you to, because if you take the... If you get the input here, need an attack, for example, can you specify integer number, but when you try to actually assign it, it's a string. So yeah, you kinda need to parse that shit somehow, and apparently that's how people do it, according to Google too. But for people it works, for us it doesn't, even though it's clearly just the number there. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, it still for some reason goes as like you can set all this field as integer, but when you go down to text, then there's no such thing. There is no such thing. It actually, like we already checked, it actually like sees the number purely, no extra spaces or something. I don't know, maybe some invisible symbols there, but I don't think so. But it doesn't parse it. Doesn't parse it whatsoever. We're using try parse. I tried the regular parse. That one just gives error. Try parse shows 0 if it fails or result. So, well, yeah, it failed. And this is what was an input. So it actually gets the number, no, nothing else, I think. It should be fine. There's no like special symbols, no like decimals or something. It's just the number. Let's see. Wait, you need to be accessing text field of TNP input field. Let's try. I mean, that would make sense at least. Okay, let's see. Apparently, like there are some issues with this stuff in general. This kind of makes no sense, but let's try. So we do. Let's try this way. Seems like this is the way to do it. And then we reference the thing that actually has integer assigned to it, I guess. I would assume. So now we take the button. And now we assign this area. I didn't. Let's try. Alright, there they are. So now we just need to reference all of them. Okay, that makes a little more sense now. Okay, now we access the text of them. Text field of this one. So, well, actually it's still the same shit. Well, I guess we don't even need to try to parse now anymore. Let's try just to... No, wait. Attack. Still. Well, this maybe we'll try parse now, though. Yes, it's still stringing it. Alright, sure. So, let's do it again then. And let's try. It doesn't really matter if it's gonna be zeros at the end, then we know it didn't work. Let's see what happens now. I wouldn't be able to handle this one properly because it looks like some weird output there or something. That's what people recommended here, looks like, though. We'll see if that's actually the case. That works. I don't know. That just works. Welcome, I guess, to some PPG Unity classes or something. So yeah, that text field, even though like it outputs 69 when we tried, right? Still, but it just didn't work to parse. Maybe it adds something to it that like debug prints, but it exists. I don't know. They also use text mesh. Yeah, it's like an Unity forum basically. It's like the dude posted actually the Ugu, and someone corrected him. Use the TMP input field instead, and there it is. Didn't test for any of those. We could try what the hacker said actually, just out of curiosity, I guess. Just get like the Ugu back. So you want to check float and all that stuff, decimal. Come on, you already gave me. That's what I call AI, brother. He knows. He knows. Knows everything now. It learned me. Alright, let's try these. Can you just get all of them in line or something? I can just go multiple here. Or should I just do different ones? Probably better, I guess. You know it. You know it. You know it. Replace all non-numeric characters. It could be the case there, yeah. That could be the case. Budman status, but had to start another one right after. Do it. Do it again. It all failed. Like, all of them just fail. Completely. Yeah, they don't care. They just fail. That is like default stuff there. And they just don't convert server. It refuse and just returns fail. No idea. Is there a reason for that actually? The thing is, like, what it can try there to do, can it? Just to like convert them as like letters completely. It may make sense. If it makes sense, like the code. And then like 69 in code just goes out of the range of int, and that's what just fails. That would be weird if it does, but maybe because of this like text thingy, that's how it goes there. Can it be that? You know, like 0 is 8903, right? Ah, it's 0 white white space. Okay. Cast a string to character array. Well, that will, you will need to tell me how. That you need to tell me how. And then I gladly will. Alright. Nah, probably not that way. The array building, like you need to split it in symbols and so. Nah, doesn't know that. The thing is, we need to convert it also still. Like if it's still kind of string, then it's just, you know, just get the symbols there, like probably 6 and 9. Like we need this is gonna happen on like conversion of that stuff. Then it fails to convert anyway. But I'm not sure. Actually, you know what I can try? It still might fail though. It failed float too, right? Did they try float? Yeah, they tried float. It didn't work. Like maybe we can try some like very simple. Which one will be the big one? Is it like long int or something here? Or is it just long? That used to be the thing. Float is also kind of big though, right? Should be. So it would probably show. It's just long, alright. And let's do like some smaller one, I guess, or something. Yeah, let's try one or something. Just one. Big X. That I'm also not sure how it's gonna work. How it works here. Actually, I don't even remember how it works anywhere else, to be honest. Tell you that. Yeah, it still goes 0, so it just doesn't work whatsoever. No matter what you put there. No matter what you put there. So like placing everything except for numbers, right? This way. So it's still gonna be string though, right? Regix. Replace. That was see symbols here in chat. And what was the last one there? Here, would that be the link? Nope, no links. It still doesn't work. The links still don't work. What? No idea. Put in letters in input field. Let's Yeah, we can try that. Those that they here in the end. Well, it seems like this one. Is it? Or am I wrong there? I guess. So strip string. Let's just put all this one in there. Or do we still try to? I see, okay. It's gonna just post the same stuff, but I mean, we also can try. Actually, no, let's do it this way. I mean, it just does this. Actually, wait. Did it? Did it actually then? So maybe it does have something hidden there. By the looks of it. Yes, it could be. I have no idea, dude. You asking me? You asking me? I wish I knew. I wish. I would love to know that. Oh no, this you can click. Wait a second. What you on about, brother? Who? What are you on about? Which script did you miss there all of a sudden? Confusing me right now. Where did that go? Did you even change anything? Re. Mess with the references again. Wait. No, this I know. I mean, you can just like double click also. It just opens the stuff usually when it's like something in the code there. Wait, what the fuck did you lose here? What? What happens? I think doing something completely when I changed that. I don't know what happened there. I think it's because I was changing things when I was running. Can I do it again? Just gonna restart, see what happens. Yeah, I think it should work anyway. PP again. Actually, no. That was the standard one, so let's try. Yeah, it actually does work that way. So there is some symbol there. It actually adds some shit in. It does add some stuff in there. He's supposed to hit. Well, it's 69 there, and good. So it does work. Interesting. That's the X, alright. Yeah, so it did contain something. Technically, you can operate with those, but yeah, you need to remove everything but number there, right? I guess. So it replaces everything but numbers with nothing. Okay. Points unity, alright, alright. Oh, we could check. No, actually, thank you for stopping by, man. Well, I mean, it did work though. So even that all works. You can make it work that way. So you could either take the input field, or you just need to get... You just need to strip it completely of everything but the numbers. So it was hiding something there that wasn't printing. Like I was just expecting it's gonna print and debug if there will be something like, you know, that's not supposed to be there. I thought it will be still noticeable in debug somehow, but I guess it doesn't even go to debug either. So it's some sort of like some sort of extra symbol or something that goes there that just kind of prevents it from being parsed. Well, today we learned them. Today we learned them. I mean, I can even like keep it like this, I think, just to remember. And yeah, we need to check what if it put not enter there too, actually. Alright, let's try to get the... I get the unexpected input there. No, it just doesn't allow it. Yeah, you can't even... That's kind of nice. So you can put anything but numbers here. Can you put decimals? Okay, nothing. Just numbers. So that's kind of nice, at least. That is kind of nice. I actually don't need to handle any, like, errors or anything. Just to put, like, the placeholder, you know, input number. Well, perfectly is gonna be just already, you know, just buttons. So we already have attack, we already have defense. It's gonna be just button, like, you know, plus some amount that we can distribute among them, for example. Let's put it that way for now. Not for now, but yeah. But alright, we got some progress today too. I would say not too bad. There's some troubleshooting shit going on already, alright. But we figured that out. Interesting. Now we know a couple of different options for that stuff. What it's gonna be. So the best way is basically to go the input field instead of the Ugu. Ugu is not that good, eh? Ugu has a bunch of garbage, which I mean, you know, kind of makes sense. Kind of makes sense. Everything Ugu is garbage. Full of garbage, even, I would say. So yeah, that didn't work that well, but I mean, also managed to figure that one out. See, it just like has some extra stuff added to it that debug doesn't show even. So I'm not sure. Maybe like the next line or something. Some shit like that is not going through the debug. But if we replace it, then it all works. And if we don't want to replace it, we just take the input field, which actually is probably way better. So now we know. Now we got all that to work. I figured the instances also how they work better, and we also improved the part with that we don't need anymore to have don't destroy unload, so we don't need to actually have the object in every scene. We can just use instance, but you need to initialize instance at the time you kind of first want to use it, so that might make it a little weird. But other than that, so it's very convenient. I like that. Instances were nice and made the code more readable, I would say too. And that is good. Oh, that is good. A big progress. Big progress. Alright. Alright. Save this too. Save this all. Whoop. There we go. Alright, alright, that was a nice session. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow, maybe I'll do some more. Maybe we'll just do a bit of reading. We'll see. Actually, I guess we'll see. We'll see how I'll be feeling it. Because I do like still acquire a big backlog of like, you know, kind of game like more kind of like post-mortems, you know, like not like the coding related game dev stuff, but more kind of like, you know, high level stuff with post-mortems, some game design decisions and stuff. So I'm like acquiring a bunch of backlog of what to read. And on Sunday I do read a couple per day usually, but backlog is just like piling up way faster, so we'll need to add some extra time when we can read some more of that interesting shit. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow in the evening too. Maybe a little bit of reading, but it's also going to be like our show, which is already kind of a lot of reading and talking. Get the coffee with reading and talking. And Leah might just like want to maybe also like code and just a rest. It's kind of funny because when you just like constantly talk all the time when streaming, right? No matter what. But when you actually like read through something, you know, specifically, then it just like it tires like your voice way more. Like when you just like randomly talk about things non-stop and you don't notice it. When you like read things for long term, you know, like for like a few hours for our game show, you just kind of feel it a little bit. That's a weird one. That's a weird one. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna call it a day now. Gonna be back tomorrow. Tomorrow, 8:30 AM CET. We do maybe some Toad, maybe something else. We'll see. We'll see. Toad gonna be on Monday for sure. Maybe I'll do something else. Maybe. We'll see. Not sure. Not sure. Then we do coffee and some reading of those articles a little bit. Then our game show with weekly gaming news recap. And then yeah, probably either the YouTube extra or the Twitch longer one. We'll see how it goes. Probably YouTube extra. So yeah, that's going to be the plan for tomorrow. And yeah, for now, I am out. Have a nice rest of your evening, guys. See you all tomorrow. Thank you for helping. Thank you for hanging out. Appreciate a lot. Thank you. Yeah, love you all. Bye-bye.